talked about that, how you set them up. Only now then you're going to be talking about totals as well. This is not hard. Fortunately, they give you an easy lesson for lesson 100, okay? Let's look at problem number, where are they? Example 100.1. It says, the ratio of nuts to bolts was 11 to 2. Nuts to bolts. Now, some of you don't like to do that. I've noticed tests and whatnot. You like to put it across the top and jump right into the middle of it, and you can't do that with this. Nuts, bolts. And then we're going to need the total of all of them. And you write that underneath. The nuts, the bolts, the total. There were 11 nuts to 2 bolts, so the total would be the sum of those two, which is 13. Right, now that sets up the basic thing, okay? Now then they want to know if there were 260 nuts and bolts in the pile, so the total is 260. How many were bolts? We need to know here. We don't need to worry about this one at all. We're only concerned about down here. And they actually show you putting your finger over it, and I think that's a very good idea. Because by doing that, you don't get mixed up picking the wrong one. So then your proportion is going to be 2 over 13 equals x over 260. How do you solve this? You cross multiply. So you would have 13x equals 2 times 260.
How did you get the 13?
You add 11 plus 2, that gives you 13. Okay, and then you would go on from there. Now, I don't want to take the time to do that because this is chapel day, okay? Anybody have any question about how this is done?
Wait,
You cross multiply. Always you cross multiply when you have proportions. All right, and nobody has any question? All right, turn that thing off, Justin.